Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to see a lesson, super sensors. What is the lesson name? Super sensors. I am your EVS teacher also. Okay, madam. Then see here. What is meant by sense? Do you have any idea about on sense? We have senses. Is it? For example, we want to see any of the thing, which organ we need? Eyes, is it? So for the eyes to hear, what are the organ we are using here? Ear, ears. To smell, nose. Then to touch our skin. Next, to eat or else to taste, whatever it is, we are using what? Tongue. So these are sense organs. Is there any doubt? What are the sense organs we have? Your previous class also you have studied like this and all. Is it? So what are the sense organs we are having? Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. These are what are sense organs. What is the purpose we are using eyes? To see. To see. What is the purpose we are using the ears? To hear. What is the purpose we are using the nose? To smell. What is the purpose we are using the skin? To touch. What is the purpose we are using the tongue? To taste. Fine. Listen. These are not at all for the human. Animals also have a sense same as it is. If you watch any animals or insects, whatever it is, they have senses. How they are using the senses eagerly. That's what explaining in this lesson. Okay, shall we go into this lesson? For example, did you watch any animals for their sense doing somewhat? Even though in our home also, ant is lying on the floor. Is it? Ants are lying on the floor. While lying that time, if you watch too close up to the ant, you can see what is the ant is carrying with that. Definitely each and every ant carries somewhat sweet and whatever they need the food. That everything it was carrying on the time. Because it for this duty what? They have to save the food for the summer season only. When, during the winter and the rainy season, ants won't come outside. Why do you know? Because it won't come outside. Because of the rain and the winter, the chillness, it will affect to the ant. So that only it won't come outside. So that's why it was collecting all those food during the summer season only. If you go in this time, what? Summer season only, is it? So in this time you can see lot of ants everywhere into your home. By the time, if you watch the ant too close up, it was carrying the foods with the antennome. Antennome means we have a nose, no. For the ant we have to say that one antennome. Okay, so by using that one, it was carrying the food, everything. So same as it is. And cat, bat means owl. Bat, that everything comes at the night. Watch everything very carefully. For the cat, compared to daytime, cat eye power is 2 n normal 10 thousands of thousands times of normal. It has the power to see whatever it is for the cat. Then the bat also. Bat won't come daytime. It was coming only at night time only. Why do you know? Because of compared to will come at night time and it was searching lot of food at the night time only. So these are all examples only. We didn't go into the lesson. So like that same as it is here in your in your lesson, it represents the what are the super senses each and every animals are having. Each and every insects and birds, how they are living to curiosity and how they are watching the food, how they are getting the prey. Prey means they are irai. Okay, how they are getting that everything explaining in this lesson. So we shall we start the lesson to read? Okay. See here, super senses. Has this ever happened to you? Did you watch any things like this? So that only they are asking this question. Has this ever happened to you? You were eating in the playground. An eagle flew down and took away your roti. See here, they are here. The children are here. No, that every children are eating roti. So by the time, somewhat that eagle, it's a bird. It was catching his prey from yourself. So that only they are saying here. See here, already I said to the example of an ant. See, they are describing here also. You dropped something sweet on the ground and within minutes many ants collected around it. So if you throw or else if you didn't throw, but however the ant collecting their food with antenna. See here how they are catching eagerly. If you see the antenna, this is an antenna. This is only the part of the nose of an ant. So this is called a antenna. It was catching and carrying that. Okay, see here. The dog has a super sense. Do you know? It was catching whatever it is. It can smell. Compared to man, it was smell 1,000 times. It has the smell sense. As he walked softly past a sleeping dog, its ears shot up at once. It can hear that one. Not at all dog. A lot of animals we had. That every animal's sleeping time, we can see the sound. It can hear silently. See the next question. Why does it happen? Think and tell. Animals also have different senses. They can see, hear, taste, smell and feel. The feeling sense only, the touching sense. Okay. Already I said to you what are senses we are having. Same as it is, the animals also having. So like that lines only here also explaining. Some animals can see their prey. Prey means irai. Prey means what? Irai. From far away. Some can hear even the phantom sound. Phantom sound means ஒரு howling sound. அந்த ஊள விடுற சத்தம் இது எல்லாமே அது எங்க இருக்குங்கிறத கூட கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். Some animals can find their friends by their smell. For this example, I said by dog. Dog can smell easily. If you have a pet dog, while coming you, it can understand very easily and it will catch you while entering the home. Did you analyze that? The animal world is full of examples of amazing senses. So for this one meaning is not at all. All the animals have amazing senses for hearing sense, smell, see and hear and touching sense, feeling, example lot. Okay, is there any doubt? First of all, you have to ask myself, Kanna. Students, then only I will continue next part. Okay, thank you.